So you want to skip rope like a boxer, but you don't know where to start? I've been jumping rope for over 10 years, and when I first started, I was able to rapidly increase my skills and abilities by focusing in 4 main areas. I want to share these 4 tips with you so you can also rapidly increase your skills and abilities and cut out the frustrations. Tip number 1, rope choice. Rope choice is hugely important. You don't want to just buy some random cheap rope because all jump ropes are not created equal. If you get the wrong one, it's going to only hold you back and it's not going to allow you to learn the skill properly. If a rope is too fast, too slow, or too light, it's going to affect your ability to learn timing, rhythm, and just be able to feel the rope as it's going around your body. So my 2 recommendations are, first, the cross rope jump rope, weighted jump rope system. This rope system has the weight in the rope itself. So as the rope is swinging around your body, it's providing pull and helps you feel the rope, helping you develop your rhythm and timing. It also gives you a hell of a workout. Option number 2 is a heavy beaded jump rope. And because of the bigger beads, this provides air resistance as it's traveling around, which 1, slows you down so you don't go too fast for your feet as a beginner. And it also provides that extra feedback and feel so you can develop your timing and rhythm. Number 2, one of the biggest problems I see between beginners and intermediate jumpers is improper rope length. They typically have it way too long, which makes you have horrible form and technique, and it typically is too much rope slapping the ground, which is causing it to kick up into your feet, causing trip ups. You don't want this. We need to be able to size it properly. The properly sized rope, the best place to start is around having the handles, if you're stepping on it with 1 foot, up around mid-chest height. This is a starting point. Rope length is subjective to a degree, and it's going to differ from person to person based on what you like. So start there and then gradually shorten it to see where you feel most comfortable. I have a full tutorial linked above for sizing your rope. In order to do number 2, you have to be able to do number 3, which is know proper form and technique. Proper form and technique is vitally important because it's going to provide consistency in the jumping motion, and consistency in everything is key. Consistency means the rope is going to pass in the same place over and over again, which if you can jump it once without tripping, that means you're going to be able to do it 100 times. Your ability to dial in your form and technique is going to be a direct correlation to how fast you're going to be able to grow your skills and ability. So pay attention to form and technique and be relentlessly pursuing perfection. A good way to do this is recording yourself with your cell phone so you can see where you're making errors when you start tripping up, and even using slow motion. Here's a perfect example. At full speed, it can be very difficult to determine what caused the trip up. But when you use slow motion, you can easily identify where the error occurred, and now you know exactly what to fix when you continue practicing. That brings us to tip number 4, which is master the basic skills first. Too many people get way ahead of themselves and they all want to learn the crisscross and double unders and double under crisscross and squat jumps. It's too much, too fast. Keep it simple at the start. I'm talking the basic 2-foot jump, alternate leg, and the boxer skip, mixing in some side swings. Those are the first things that you want to learn, and dial those things in and start building tempo control with those things. And this is going to help you build your endurance so you're going to be able to take on those advanced skills later down the road. With these basic skills, you're also going to be able to work on footwork. Footwork is going to help you become more and more coordinated, so when you do go to more advanced skills, it's going to seem easier because you're used to moving around a little bit and doing these intricate footwork patterns, and now jumping up and down doing a double under or a double under crisscross is going to seem a lot easier than if you were just trying to tackle it right out the gate. If you want to learn all the staple boxer jump rope skills, check out this playlist I have linked here. And you can also check out all the other jump rope skill tutorials in my jump rope skills library. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.